Here we have the graph of sterling against dollar from the start of the year till now, and you can see one clear pattern that it's moving in one direction. The dollar is getting weaker and the sterling is getting stronger, which is great if you're the type of person who loves the stronger sterling because you go on holiday all the time. But it's not so great when you're an investor and you invest a lot in dollar-based assets, and you will be doing that if you invest in some Sharia compliant funds that are global in nature or US in nature. Also not great if you're investing into Sukuk funds either, because a lot of those assets are in dollars. So the sterling has gone up against the dollar 8.5% this year, which is a big move, which means any return that you've made in dollar terms is worth 8.5% less when you convert your money back to sterling, which is why you can see like the S&P 500 is already up this year, but in sterling terms, you're actually down. So that's why when I see the news today and I see that the sterling has gone down a tiny bit, I sigh a sigh of relief, because it could mean that things are starting to turn. Or it might just be a small blip and then sterling will continue to rally against the dollar. We see articles like this today saying sterling dollar outlook. Cable, which is the trading name for sterling dollar, which refers to the cable which is between the US and UK for exchanging data. So the cable falls sharply on political turmoil in the UK, which is all to do with the reforms trying to go through Parliament today with Labour. Anyway, so maybe that's a sigh of relief if you're a UK investor investing into stuff like gold, Sukuk, or US equities, global equities, things like that. Things will go in your favour if sterling starts to weaken more, but obviously not in your favour if you go on holiday a lot.